Now, I know that we're all still in deep, deep mourning over the tragic death of our classmate Butters.
Who's Butters?
Children, please say hello to Margarine.
Dude, I think it's totally working. The girls are totally buying it.
That girl sure has a strange sense of fashion.
Dude, they totally think he's a girl.
Where do you buy your clothes?
Go places.
Dude, they've bought it hook, line, and sinker. This is going swimmingly.